Hi, today we're looking at another product that I got off AliExpress. These are Ferrule connectors. Come very handy when you want to connect multi-strand wires into screw terminals. Stops the cables from spreading all over the place. This kit is very reasonably priced, and in my opinion it's better to have something like this than nothing at all. So in the kit you get this box 1200 pieces, and as you can see we have ferrules for all the different diameters of wire. The actual tool itself, this is a 6-jaw. Let's just open it up. Pretty heavy. Obviously I do realize it doesn't do the same job as those ones that cost hundreds, but like I said, better to have something like this than nothing at all. Obviously we're not professional electricians here, we just want to make the work that we do look nice, neat and tidy. And obviously with these PVC covers here, much safer as well. Alright, and there we go. So we have a little chart here, the colors and what sort of gauge of wire, plenty of connectors for the money. Definitely nice to have something like this in the workshop. Okay, so here's a pretty good example. I have a customer's laptop in the workshop at the moment, and what they've done is they've salvaged this Toshiba charger, they've cut the cable and they've connected another cable for a different laptop here. So this obviously is the low voltage side, but as you can see, doesn't look very good at all. Doesn't look very safe. I do realize this is only 19 volts here. So obviously the outside cable, or the negative cable on the charger, is just wound around, so it's not going to be a perfect solution. There you go, that red one's a nice tight fit, and it's also on the positive cable. Simple. Cut off the excess. Nicely done. So if you hobbyists working with low voltage stuff, maybe LED lighting and stuff like that, bit of automotive, crimping tool like this is going to be amazing. That is a lot neater than what we saw before. There we go. Nice, neat, strong. Compare that to that. Basically no comparison. Safer, neater, and for the price, there's no excuse if you're working with cables and stuff like this all the time not to have a ferrule kit in your workshop. I'll leave a link in the description as well as some discount codes for all products on AliExpress. As always, thanks for watching. Remember, there's always a fix, and I'll see you in the next one.